What's going on, guys? Tony Hannity's here with Lazy Tech TV, and this is the FCOOL 3-in-1 wireless charger. Now, about a year ago, I did review another off-brand one, and when I say off-brand, I mean white label. We'll go with that. And this, in all honesty, could be quite similar. FCOOL did reach out to me and they said, hey, would you review this? I said, sure. That's as far as that relationship goes. So this is all my opinion on this guy here. It's a really cool idea, really cool device. It comes in two different colors. Obviously this is white. There's a black one as well too. And if you're really enveloped and ingratiated in the Apple ecosystem, this is perfect for you. You've got your wireless charger for your phone. You've got one for your watch. And then of course, for your AirPods, you can just place it on that platform there if you have the Gen 2 AirPods or newer, and it will charge your AirPods wirelessly. Where the buck stops is actually where the phone charger is, and that's kind of the huge caveat here. So the nice thing is you've got two coils. So you can either put the phone in portrait mode or in landscape mode, and fundamentally it's going to charge no matter what. The biggest issue is the platform. The platform is not big enough, and there's only this tiny grip here that's supposed to keep the phone upright. And I found with my case, which is a later case, which if you want to take a look at that review in the eye over there, that's a really thin case, and it shouldn't make that much of a big deal of like reasons why it would do something like this. Like, okay, this is not me editorializing. This is not me trying to do a meme or anything. I'm very gingerly putting the phone on the platform, putting it here, and then the phone falls. The phone's down there. I need it up here. Hold on, let me go get it. I have found that the only way to make the phone work with this is to take the case off, which you shouldn't have to do that. But see, with the case off, it's fine. Like I didn't even have to necessarily put it down gingerly. Like, boom, boom, it did the thing. That's awesome. That's exactly what we want. But here's the rub. This isn't like MagSafe compatible or anything. It's just wireless Qi charging. It does fast charging through 15-watt plug. So that's cool. And with regard to that kind of fast charging, I don't know. It charges okay. You're not going to get half a battery in like 20 minutes. You're just not. And I don't know if even MagSafe does that. But the thing is, if you're going for an iPhone 12 or iPhone 13, go with a device, a charging mechanism that will take full advantage of MagSafe. And MagSafe is the newest technology, or at least a new-ish technology on the iOS devices. And you might as well take advantage of it because your phone can freaking, it's compatible to it. This phone's not. This is an 11. But even so, when I get the 13, I don't think I'll be using this. However, the nice thing about this is the foldability of it. And if that's not a word, I'm making it a word. Having this go into my luggage completely flat, extremely handy because it's not gonna break, or at least less likely to break. And when you're using it as a display, you can either have it in this posture or in this spot. You have two different angles in which that you can place the phone. That's nice. So for me, it comes down to this. It doesn't work with my case for some odd reason. Charging times for the watch is fine, pretty standard. And I personally don't have a Gen 2, so this is just for show. But when it's charging, like this little blue ring here would light up, or you can turn it off if it's too bright for you. It's kind of useful as a nightlight, I guess, if it's by your bedside. So, like I said before, if you're getting a newer device like an iPhone 12, iPhone 13, don't get this. Okay, get one that does support MagSafe, especially if you have a MagSafe compatible case. If you don't have all the things, like you don't have a watch, you don't have AirPods or earbuds that charge wirelessly through the case, it's almost like it's tempting you to buy it. And hey, cool, capitalism, right? But you don't need that. But beyond that, that's fine. I mean, it works with my fiance's Galaxy Note 5 with a ginormous case. I still don't know why hers works, but mine doesn't. I don't know. So that's it. If you have any questions or comments, leave that in the comment section down below. Links, as always, can be found in the description below. And if you didn't know, we no longer stream on Twitch. We stream right here on YouTube, youtube.com/LazyTechTV. And also, welcome to the new studio. Hope you like this set. We've got a few other sets that we're building out as well too. And that's pretty much it. So make sure you like this video, subscribe, do all those things, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.